Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can customize the wallpaper on your home screen in the DuckDuckGo web browser and upload, for example, a custom image to use this one as your custom wallpaper. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the home screen of your DuckDuckGo web browser. You may do that by clicking into this home button in the top left. Next, click into customize in the bottom right, and here next to background, choose one of these options: default, solid colors, gradients, or add background. So let me click into add background here. Next, locate the image on your device. So let me do that. For example, let me go with this channel logo. Just a second. There you go. And there you have it, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.